As the cozy autumn season approaches, it's the perfect time to give your home a little TLC and ensure it's warm, safe, and ready for the cooler months ahead. Well, here are 5 simple tasks to prep your home for the fall. Number 1, clean gutters and downspouts. After the leaves have fallen, clean out your gutters and downspouts to prevent any clogging. Well, this ensures rainwater can flow freely and helps avoid ice dams in the winter. Number 2, seal gaps and leaks. Find and seal gaps and leaks around windows, doors. Use weather stripping and caulking. This will help your home stay warm and reduce energy costs. Number 3, prune and trim branches like these. Trim any branches hanging over your roof to avoid any damage during fall storms. Also rake and remove fallen leaves from your yard to prevent slippery conditions and maintain a tidy outdoor space. Finally, install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If you haven't already done that, make sure they are up, and fall is a good time to replace batteries in existing smoke detectors. By following these tips, you'll ensure your home is ready for fall and later winter. Who you work with matters.